morning. I am Professor Wathiq Mansoor, the Dean of the College of Engineering and IT at the University of Dubai. And in this short video, I'm going to explain about the electric circuit lab. We are currently at the second floor of the College of Engineering and IT building, and the second floor is dedicated for labs only, as for first floor is for the lectures, second floor is for the labs, and the third floor for the offices for faculty, staff, and for the research labs. And as you see that there is a clear sign here to show the students, visitors about where each lab is located within this floor. Now, so I am heading toward the lab, and as you see here that we have fire hose reel to just in case of fire. This is the electric circuit lab. So as you see that there is a signboard as well here clearly mentioning that this is a lab, and it is named as CEIT, which is College of Engineering and IT. So CEIT 212, so that student can know where to go when they see their schedule. Also, we have some session schedule, any information that will be useful for the student. So this is the lab. As you see that the very important thing in the lab, there are some inspection for the fire extinguishers where they have been inspected, and there is emergency first aid as well. Also, we have 2 fire extinguishers just in case of fire. There is some blanket for fire blanket, just again in case of emergency, and there is a clear instruction for any emergency first aid if someone get burned or injured. And here the lab is distributed into several benches, and each bench 1 student will sit, sometimes maybe 2 students maximum. And in this each bench we have all our labs actually based on Labview platform by NI, and in each bench there is 1 base station for Labview where a circuit board that's dedicated for certain experiments. So for example, this board is dedicated for electric circuit board. So what the student could do is just to insert this one in this platform and then perform the experiment as usual. As you see that the student is not just working on the circuit board, but working on the computer as well, because the computer through the Labview platform is connected to this base station, Labview base station, and any measurements taken by the student will immediately stored in the desktop. And we have instructors that helps our students to perform their experiment in a proper way, and help them if there is any difficulties to be overcome. And usually we have 1 instructor and lab engineer to support our students. As you see here, we have this cabinet. This cabinet is to store some components, some circuit board. Also, we have a desktop. This is dedicated for the instructor. So the instructor can use this desktop to run the lectures, because this desktop is connected with the TV, and TV is used here to display the PowerPoint presentation instead of the projectors. So this is we are using the latest technology for the displaying the PowerPoint presentations. In addition to that, we have the normal board, traditional board, so that the instructor can explain the PowerPoint presentation to the students, and can also write, for example, x1 plus x2 equal y1, or any information that needs to be. So we have some interactive lecture. We have the technology to display the PowerPoint presentation, videos, anything that helps the student to learn the experiments. Also, there is the board for the instructor to give extra explanation. Again, there is this one as well to help to support the instruction. And that's all for this electric circuit lab. Thank you very much.